Hey smart home lovers, imagine this. You've just had a long day at work, you come home, and instead of dragging out the vacuum or broom, your floors are already spotless. That's the magic of robot vacuums. But here's the tricky part. There are dozens of models, all promising to be the best. Some are overpriced hype, others are true game changers. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven. In this video, we're breaking down the 6 best robot vacuums of 2025, whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or just someone who's tired of spending hours cleaning. And don't worry, I've put all the Amazon best deals in the description below so you can easily check today's prices. Let's dive in. Number 6. Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 Robot Vacuum. If you want reliable cleaning without paying for premium hype, this one's a strong mid-range choice. With its VorMax suction system peaking at 6,000 PA, it pulls up dust, crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. 4 suction levels let you adjust power for light messes or deep cleaning, and its floating brush design reduces tangles. It's not just a vacuum, it also mops. The 235 milliliter water tank has 3 adjustable levels so you can tackle light dust or sticky spills. Add in smart mapping, no-go zones, and a slim 3.8-inch profile that slips under furniture, and it's a versatile option. Battery life lasts up to 180 minutes, though some users mention it's a little louder than expected. Number 5. Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro. This is for anyone who wants a truly hands-free experience. Its standout Osmo roller system washes itself while mopping, so you're never smearing dirty water across the floor. With 16,600 PA suction and blast airflow tech, it digs deep into carpets. The Zero Tangle 3.0 system stops hair wrapping, making it a dream for pet owners. Its triple lift system automatically adjusts to different flooring, and the AI-powered navigation avoids clutter with impressive accuracy. The base station handles self-cleaning, charging, and maintenance. Your job is basically pressing start. While many love the power and streak-free results, some say the high price doesn't match the benefits for everyone. Number 4. Roborock S10R. If you're after efficiency and precision, the S10R is a standout. At just 3.14 inches tall, it gets under sofas and cabinets where others can't reach. The Stratotech autonomous system maps your home with laser precision, while the Vertibeam sensors dodge cables and small obstacles. With 22,000 PA suction, duo divide brushes, and a FlexiArm side brush, it delivers deep cleaning without tangles. The multifunction dock is a highlight. It empties dust, washes mops with hot water, dries them, and refills automatically. This is premium living, though some feel it's overkill for the price and occasionally misses fine debris. Number 3. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. This is iRobot's smartest model to date, designed with pet owners in mind. Its suction is twice as strong as previous models, and Dirt Detective learns your habits to prioritize dirtiest rooms. Dual rubber brushes, an edge sweeper, and strong suction make for thorough cleaning. Navigation with precision vision helps it avoid cords, toys, and even pet waste, saving you from disasters. Its clean base holds up to 60 days of dirt, so you don't touch it for weeks at a time. Setup is quick, voice control is seamless, and mapping is faster than ever. Some users, though, mention reliability issues after months of use, especially with heavy pet hair. Number 2. Shark RV2820. This model balances adaptability with raw cleaning power. Its Detect Pro sensors identify dirt levels and floor types, adjusting suction on the fly. Edge Detect tech blasts air into corners, dragging dust into its path. With Never Stuck tech, it climbs thresholds and carpets without stopping mid-job. The base holds up to 60 days of debris and comes with HEPA filtration and odor neutralization, perfect for allergy-prone homes. LiDAR mapping works day and night, giving you accurate control in the app. Strong suction and pet hair handling are big wins, but battery life can feel short for larger houses. Number 1. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. This is the all-in-one powerhouse. Combining ultra-strong suction with sonic mopping, it scrubs floors 100 times per minute while vacuuming debris. Matrix Clean ensures multiple passes, leaving nothing behind. Its self-cleaning brush roll picks up hair without tangling, Clean Edge blasts dirt out of corners, and the bagless HEPA base traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. The base holds 60 days of dirt, making it almost zero maintenance. Designed with pets in mind, it tackles fur, paw prints, and daily messes easily. Users love its mapping accuracy and deep cleaning performance, though some note it's louder than they expected. For those who want everything in one machine, this is the best robot vacuum of 2025. And that wraps up our guide to the best robot vacuums of 2025. Which one fits your home? An affordable all-arounder like the Dreame D9 Max, or a premium powerhouse like the Shark Matrix Plus? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget, all the Amazon best deals are linked down below, so you can check today's prices. This is Consumer Heaven, your trusted guide for smart home and tech gear. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another deep dive review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.